Hi friends, welcome back to the Kitchen Factory. Today we're going to break a lot of your myths and give you some vital information on aloe vera, Barbadensis miller, that's the technical name for this particular plant. So, I have many of these aloe vera gels growing in my garden in small pots like as you can see here. Yeah? And what I do with them is every 1 week, 10 days I rotate. I take 5 of these potted aloe veras into my main room, and then I next week I change them. The reason is because this sun loving, easy to grow, succulent plant has the capacity to clean your room air. In other words, aloe vera is a wonderful pollutant absorber, and that's the beauty about this plant. So, why would you not use natural plants such as these to clean the air of your rooms? And also, many of us are using a lot of commercial cleaners, paints, and all that. So, the byproducts of the paints and cleaners, like formaldehyde, chemicals like formaldehyde or benzene, also get cleared thanks to aloe vera. It's a wonderful plant. However, the same aloe vera that you can see, which you're growing to clean the air, cannot be used on your skin. Please note that cannot be used on your skin. Why? Because we are all living in polluted cities like Delhi or any other big city. And when you use aloe vera such as these on your skin, then what happens is you're actually using the same aloe vera that has already absorbed pollutants from the atmosphere. So in that case, we recommend aloe vera gel that grows away from habitation, at least 20 to 25 kilometers away from main cities, so that you get the pure plant gel on your skin. So we have this aloe vera gel which we are showing you in the picture, which we've been doing for 20 plus years when most people didn't even know about aloe vera in the market. We never really promoted it, never marketed it. It was done for the family and of course ourselves and friends, and it began to travel outside, and it's become pretty popular. Now, what makes this aloe vera gel special? Number one, it grows away from habitation. Number two, there are no chemical additives. When we talk about additives, we're talking about no synthetic fragrance, we're talking about no synthetic color, we're talking about no synthetic perfume, and no synthetic preservation. Yeah, you see the color in the bottle, you can make out it's completely natural. Okay, and what we call this is actually food for your skin. Another myth I'd like to bust today is that aloe vera can only be used in one particular season. No, friends, you will be amazed. Aloe vera can be used in every season of the year, 365 days a month, any number of times in the day. So when you have a bath, wash your face, number of times, you can just apply aloe vera nicely, put it into your palm and just apply, and even massage it twice a week with your fingertips in water, and then see the difference. Face and neck massage, super duper results. Regular use, you will see the skin becoming not only smoother, tighter, more toned, more clear of all the marks, pimples, scars, etc. And I am one such person in point. After 42 surgeries, thanks to my burn scars, my skin has really cleared with this aloe vera regular usage. People have seen me earlier and they see me now, they say it's unbelievable, what have you done to your face? Of course my deep scars, lower cheeks and neck are there, but amazing, my nose has cleared, my forehead has cleared, my cheeks have cleared, most of the cheeks have cleared thanks to the regular use of aloe vera. Since this is pure and not chemical based, humble suggestion is to use daily if you want results. Okay, now remember, natural things always give best results when used on a regular basis. Hope you enjoy using it, and I hope this information is useful. Thank you so much for listening to us. Take care and stay safe.